Hey everybody, welcome to Daisy Toy House. Today we have a special Shopkins episode where we can look at this and see some wonderful new toys. Alright, take it away, big sister.
Yay! So I'm going to be showing you my Shopkins and also my refrigerator that I got right here. So you can see if you don't have any Shopkins, you have your own Shopkins right here. So I'm going to show you this.
Yeah.
I have no idea because it doesn't come with the paper that comes with the baskets, but this is like a soda. Here, I'll give you.
Soda. Yeah.
Yep, and it's kind of like an ultra rare Shopkin. And we also got this cupcake.
Cupcake.
It's ice cream, but the name is Yoshi.
Oh, wow.
Yoshi.
Yeah. Okay.
And also they come with these little eggs. You can see they all have different faces. They're so teeny tiny.
That's very cute.
And adorable.
They're adorable.
Yeah, and if you can see, it comes with a cup. And I know how to work these things out. So you can see, let's say if you just bring it like this, you want like soda pop, like you know how they have like the ball. Just do this.
Oh, neat.
Yay!
Oh,
We got some soda
neat.
for free.
And the soda goes inside here.
Yeah, I just put it in here.
Cool. Okay. What else have we got?
So we also have this like
tray
secret
down
apartment. Yeah, it's a secret apartment because it doesn't have like a handle. And I'm also going to show you some shopping I have. Yeah, there's also a drawer here.
Oh.
I'll show you some shopping
Whoa.
I have.
Look at all these guys.
You got banana spaghetti? Yep.
Whoa.
We need the yellow bills.
This is
Yeah.
Shopkins too. Does this belong in the fridge?
Nope. So pretty much, look at this black banana spaghetti. Yeah.
What's this?
Oh, I have no idea. That was pretty much one of my first ones.
What's this? Is this chocolate?
Yeah. It's not like cheeky chocolate, but it's like in cheap.
Soda.
Yeah, we also got this diary. So, we're gonna put a few of these things in here, and it's weird because look,
What's this?
we have a refrigerator inside of a
A
refrigerator.
fridge inside the fridge.
Okay, so that's really weird.
This looks yummy.
Yeah, for some reason, my sister always wants to eat it up.
Let's see.
For some reason.
Whoa. Yum, yum, yum.
Nice try, but no. Okay, so I'm just gonna put camera in here. And you can see, you can put like different aisles.
Wait a second. Are these French fries?
Yes. Yeah.
All right. So let's put everything in the fridge.
Yep.
Whatever belongs in the fridge.
I forgot to show you. Here's the ultra rare.
Oh,
It doesn't
that's
come
cool.
with them, but it comes with two ultra rares,
Okay.
which is really good. This is the first one. They can't take the camera down.
Okay, so now we're going to put everything inside the fridge real quick. Oh,
The peach fell. And it's the pizza. Weird. It's rolled out of there. It's a peach.
this is not a peach.
Yeah, but they put different colors.
Okay.
Sometimes you put them make it, put it in a drawer.
Okay.
And yellow is something to make. Okay, that's it. I'm putting it all in here now.
Yep. And shut the fridge door. Oh, there's one egg. It's trying to run away.
Like, don't eat me.
Awesome. Okay, so now grab this from little sister here. And should I open it?
Yeah.
Open it up. Okay, let's open it up. Whoa. Okay.
I got some sockets.
Let's put them all down so that everybody can see them. Okay, so there's this one.
Well, it didn't fit for that.
Oh yeah, there's some guys
So
that fell in.
4 little mystery baskets.
4 little mystery baskets.
Well, they're not really mystery because you can see a little bit inside them.
Oh, there's some things here as well. Whoa.
A gingerbread.
There's a gingerbread house.
It's pretty much, it's bigger than I thought it would.
What's
pretty
this one, little sister? Whoa. Fell down. What is it?
Bag shopping. Bag shopping.
Cool. Okay, let's put that there. So let's take a look at this one first.
Let's see who inside.
Okay.
Isn't it?
And then pass it to me.
Wow.
Who is this?
Toilet paper.
Toilet paper.
It's weird.
That's so awesome.
Okay, I'm not going to put that in my fridge at all.
Okay,
Who wants
and
toilet
let's
paper?
put that here. Okay.
I'm going to take this one and
Yeah.
I think to the back.
Okay. And then you can pass it to
Put
me.
it in the vacuum.
And I'll show it to everybody. Oh, it's a vacuum.
Cleaner. But it fell.
Vacuum cleaner. Okay.
Get this
And
one
yeah.
right there.
Yeah. You can pass it to me. And?
And Birthday Betty.
Birthday Betty.
In pink.
Very cool.
There also is another one, but it's in green.
And then what's in this
She
last
lost
one?
it.
That's okay. We'll find it.
Yeah.
Who's this?
Don't know the name.
This is cute. And what's the last one you got there?
Thank you. It's.
Is this the lemon drop?
I
Cool.
think his name is Lemon Droplet.
Lemon droplet.
No, it's not Lemon Droplet. I don't know the name of that.
Oh, well, it's pretty cute though. So this has been our very special
Shopkins.
Shopkins episode.
Hey.
Do you guys like Shopkins?
We love Shopkins. That's why we have them.
Do you like Shopkins?
Jeez.
We hope you loved our video, everybody. Come back next time and watch more of our videos. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Daisy Toy House. Choose another video. No, they I don't want to. I have no idea. Choose another video. No, I don't want to.